Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys, we're going to show you a common problem on BMW. If your battery was dead or after battery replacement guys, you have the traction control light, 4x4, brake light, you can see and DSC light, you can see malfunction. Do not freak out guys, okay. This is because you need to drive the car and we'll show you what you need to do to turn those things off without any computers or anything like that. Another thing guys, please check out our new channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Please give it a subscribe guys, it will mean a lot to us. So, what happens when your battery is too weak? The car computer loses connection, okay, and it's going to forget, okay, if the ABS speed sensors work fine. Also, it needs to calibrate the steering wheel. There is a sensor on the steering wheel that tells you how much you turn your steering wheel. So, what you have to do, turn all the way to the left, all the way to the right, okay, like that. After that, get it straight, okay, and you need to get the car in gear and you will need to start, okay, driving it. Alright, let me just get it out of the garage here without smashing the other cars. Okay, give me just a minute here. And you'll see how the light will go off on its own. Okay guys, so you can see after just a little bit of a drive, after a very short drive, I turned left, right, made a U-turn, stop, turn off the car, turn it back on, and the lights are completely gone, so absolutely no lights now. That's amazing. So don't freak out, most of the times it's something simple. If it's not, we'll have the video on the channel most likely how to fix it, because sometimes you might have to calibrate the steering angle sensor. So thank you guys for watching, see you next time.